is Rekha. We are all new to each other, but today I've come to talk to you about, yes, of course, the lockdown period. Uh, we are all indoors since last approximately 2 months. Yes, and it's like so boring, right? Of course it is. Now, a few days before, you would have heard about Khan, who passed away due to some cancer problems. One of his interview I had seen recently, and I got a beautiful sentence or a quote which he had said was that when life throws lemons at you, learn to make lemon juice out of it. So here, how well said actually this proverb is. I really like that statement very much, and I found it relatable to the situation we all are now in this. Now I'll tell you why. Consider uh, the lockdowns as the lemons which life has continuously been throwing on us, and the time which we have been spending in the house around about 2 months now, and as the opportunity to turn it into lemon juice. So it's easier said than to be done, right? Many of the channels, sports personalities, even superstars have been uploading their videos, and many other internet social sites have been telling you about what to do and what not to do during the lockdown periods and how to kill your time. Uh, Everybody will show you, or everybody has been showing you about how would you spend your days. Now many people are busy doing workouts, many are taking care of their health, many are taking care of themselves, they are spending time with the family, etc, etc, etc. Now here, even I'm here to talk to you about all these things. Now let's start with today's generation. Okay, so today's generation is a generation where we don't like to sit indoors. We are all bound to stay outdoors, whether it is schools, colleges, classes, workplace, entertainment areas. We are very, very, very much into staying out of the houses. We don't like to stay in the houses, or we are not adjustable to the circumstances which make us live in the house. Okay, staying in the house for 1 or 2 days as a holiday is fine, but then again, staying in the house for 2 months, it is really too much. Not only for you, but for me too. So now what to do? See, whatever is happening for our betterment. You can take it in a positive way. Whatever comes to you, learn to take it in a positive way. That is what we are taught. Now the thing which comes into my mind is, uh, what should today's generation do? Now I have seen kids now, they are busy playing on the mobile. The best game they love to play, you know the answer, right? It is PUBG, or they've been some scramble games, or something is going on. And now, thanks to the social web series which have been coming, and children have been watching this, even we enjoy watching all these web series and all. But what else can be done? Like, it is really difficult. Like, when you're in the house, you feel like you are house arrested and nobody can help you. But here you have to take it very positively, because if you go out of your house, one thing for sure is that if you come home back with an unwanted guest, which is known as corona. Very good. Now, do you want an unwanted guest in your house? Obviously no. And now what to do? So how to kill your time? I would rather killing your time. Let's make it productive. Why not use it properly? Now, what can be done? So you might be thinking, आ गई एक और lecture देने के लिए. But then again, we have nothing else to do, and let's help each other out. And let's share the suggestions. This is what I had in my mind. So how can you do this? So when you are at the house, you have thousands of activities you can do. The first thing, and the foremost thing which I would really suggest you is to switch off your television, or at least stop watching the news for 24/7. Stop it. No news channels in the day. See what happens when you continuously, like when you wake up in the morning till you sleep in the night, you continuously keep on watching news. And what does this do? What are they showing you? The increasing numbers, the increasing graphs of the people either getting infected, either dying, or this area has this many of numbers of cases, this state has this many numbers of states, and along with it there's so much of dirty politics going on. So this is all that's creating only too much of stress. On whom? Not the people who are saying this to us, not the politicians who are playing those dirty games, but us who are watching this news. So the best idea I would give you is watching the news for once a day is okay. It keeps you updated, but then continuously stop watching it. There are many other channels which are helping you, which are trying their best to give you some entertainment programs. Now there are so many laughter shows which are every region wise, every state wise, they have entertainment shows, and they have some dance competitions, there's some singing competitions, where at least you have a light hearted atmosphere in you. So do watch that. Stop watching the news continuously. This is one thing. Now what happens if you keep on watching the news too much? It creates the atmosphere of stress in you. What happens when you are in stress? You get frustrated. Now imagine there are 5 people in a family who keep on watching the news whole day. All of the 5 are in the stress of what will happen. Every morning, chalo subah ho gayi news, dekho kya hua, kya nahi hua, and the whole day goes in that. What happens? 5 frustrated people in the same house. Can you imagine the scene? What will happen? There will be unnecessary talks which will create so much of stress, and then there will be arguments which are not necessary, then blame games, and then fights, and the entire atmosphere of the house will be very, very negative. And I hope we don't want to be negative at this period of time when continuously there is too much of negativity coming from outside. Now let's see this. Then what to do? Now second thing is eat good food. Obviously all the chaat corners and the samosas and bhelpuris and panipuris are closed, so your mom is the entire, or your wife is the big chef in the house who's continuously working for you all. So why not you go inside the kitchen and try a new dish? Let there be an experiment. Let the things get spilled on the floor, and make something interesting. Learn something from. There are many channels who teach you cooking also. So try something new. Help your mother or your wife or your sister or your daughter in the kitchen. Spend some time over there. Learn to make tea or coffee if you don't know to. In between times, I had seen many people, like everybody had posted some Dalgona coffee. I don't know what's that. I've yet not tasted. Looking forward to surely make it and try once. So try something new doing that. Not taking much of your time. One of the best things I've always found, or I would prefer to advise you, is start writing a diary. Now, writing is a boring thing for many of us, So it's not necessary that you start writing a diary on a proper diary, and you can take your own mobile. You have all those writing apps in your mobile phone. So start typing over there. Now, writing diary is not a specific art which you have to specially learn. No, not necessary. Just start writing from the day. Choose a day which you remember the most in your life, whether it is a happy moment, a sad moment. Start writing from there. Start writing about all those people whom you've got connected to, whether it is the people who have made you happy, sad, jealous, angry, who have brought a smile on your face, who created a feeling of love in your mind, in your heart, who made you a bit humble, anything and any person. Start writing about it. Slowly, 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 gradually, 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines. And gradually, if you be consistent in this process, I'm damn sure you'll be having, at the end of this period, when I hope this lockdown gets over very early, and we are all into keeping these things in our prayers. And but when this gets over, and when you'll be back to work, and one fine day, sitting on a fine Sunday, sitting at home, searching for your diaries and just going through those moments, I'm damn sure you'll be laughing or you'll be smiling with those diaries. I mean, things you have written in it. Next, what you can do is try to connect to a person or contact a person whom you have not talked since a long time. So Yeah? Talk about the memories you shared, create that bond again, make some good memories again. So there are many small little things which we can do during this lockdown period. Rather than killing this time, make it productive. Spend time with your kids, with your family members, is what everybody says, and that's what we are doing. While spending the time with your kids, with your family members, with your anyone, with your loved ones, one thing you have to keep in mind is that the frustration which you are facing is the same that they are facing. So just keep your calm, let them be calm, understand each other, stay safe, stay happy. And yes, it's you who has to decide whether you want to make a lemon juice out of the lemons life is throwing at you, or just keep on watching it what to do with this. So this is what I had to say about everything. Take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. See you later.